Hi, it's Andy from ABC. We've just installed a Masterfrost Ice machine. I'm going to show you a couple of things you need to do when you're setting these machines up. So we've installed it, we've plumbed the water and the drain in, gravity drain, so it's going downwards. The water supply and power supply is behind. I'm going to show you how to adjust the ice thickness, the thickness of the ice cube, and the bin stat, which controls how much water's in the machine. Have a look inside there. It controls it on that probe, the silver probe to the side. There. I'm going to show you how to set it up now. Lift the front panel off, very easy to do. Slides up, sits on those two pins there, the panel moves away. Inside the front of the machine, we've got two thermostats. One for the ice thickness, that controls the thickness of the ice cube. I've set it on about 3.5 there, which is a good size ice cube. This one controls the ice bin level inside. It comes factory set, about 12 o'clock position. If it's in a cold cellar, your ice machine, you need to set this further round so it makes more ice. Otherwise, it cuts off on the bin stat too early. So I'm going to adjust this to about 3 o'clock position, and that's the amount of ice that goes in the bin. This machine's positioned in an ambient room, so we're okay at that. If it was in a cellar, I'd set that on full so it makes ice up to the top, otherwise it'll cut out too early. The panel goes back on. Very easy, just slides on again. Slides on the two pins at the bottom. Really easy machines, these make a fantastic ice cube. The other maintenance, keep your condenser clear of dust at the bottom, behind there, and sanitise the bin and the ice bin and the curtains and that. Sanitise that weekly with mild detergent and bicarbonate or food safe sanitizer. Thanks for watching. If you need spares for Masterfrost, contact ABC. We do the installation of the machines, we do the lot. Any advice, ring us up. Thanks for watching.